Hello friends, it is good to see you after so long. Today we won't discuss any lesson. I couldn't make any video for my channel last 30 days because I hadn't proper phone for recording. Finally I bought a new one. I just want to show my phone which I bought yesterday for making video. But that camera is not so good. I never thought that I can buy this kind of phone. Actually we are not capable to buy costly device like iPhone, PC and costly camera. So it is difficult to continue making video, but I will never give up. I will try my best for you and for my channel. You know what, it is the most pathetic situation in my life. I bought it with everything what I had, so it is really painful. No problem, no problem. I will find the way. Thanks for watching. I know you will help me through watching my video. Keep watching me. Thank you very much.